Whose fault? Whose fault was it?
I just got scammed.
It's your fault.
It's not.
Well, whose fault was it?
Person.
Well, what? You get yourself beat down that square.
It wasn't my
You just
fault.
yes, it was. You let that happen. You let it happen. What'd you lose?
I lost my rare Medusa mask. For a necklace!
Well, so how can that happen? What can you get? What was he trading? What was he trading?
It was trading a
was he
stupid
trading?
necklace for a rare Medusa mask.
And why didn't you get the necklace first?
Because I just cancelled the trade, but he accepted. Why?
That's not going to happen again, is it? That's not going to happen again, is it?
So funny.
Did you get the bow and arrow off someone? Just get a bow and arrow?
James and Richard, we really believe there's an opportunity to make tech products a little more
accessible.
accessible. So we launched Skinny Dip.
No, it doesn't.
A brand of accessories that merges fashion and technology. By working with young, up-and-coming artists and fashion designers, we created a range of fun, unique and quirky cases which we've begun supplying to high-street fashion retailers. In the 18 months trading, Skinny Dip has turned over £500,000 and has sold over 200,000 products. Some of our most successful lines include our beanie headphones, earmuff headphones and printed headphones. We believe we're the only brand catering to the fashion-conscious consumer shopping at high-street fashion retailers. Thank you for listening to us, and we hope that you jump in and Skinny Dip with us.
A promising pitch from Lewis Blitz and his best friends Richard and James Gold from Golders Green. In exchange for 10% of their burgeoning accessories business, they want a £120,000 investment. It's
Of course I'm not a K.
as well, but it's not their product that's caught his attention.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I was very surprised because whilst you were doing your pitch, James was minding it.
So fair.
Do you do that a lot? He does it all day long. My speeches, I'll speak and he just stands there.
It's so embarrassing because I'm quite good at learning stuff, and I learned the whole pitch in case, for whatever reason, either Lewis or Richard wouldn't remember it, that I would be able to stand in and still do the pitch.
Perfect
This guy.
timing.
Yeah.
So, where did Skinny Dip come from? I think when we came up with
This
the concept, we didn't know what the name was, but we understood what the ideals of it, to be fun, young, creative, and it took us a long
This guy,
time.
what the heck?
Once we
No,
came
no,
up with the name,
okay.
we all immediately knew.
This guy. Put this
If I
guy.
was to say that
Ace
you need to change the brand to
0401.
be successful, what would you say?
Ace.
I think we're very proud of the brand. I think we have a lot of work still to do, but I think that's where,
This
as
guy,
well as the
don't
money,
worry,
the expertise that we could get from working alongside one of you guys, take the brand to the next level. We're not averse to change, but change in a way that doesn't impact on our values. And as long as it doesn't change that, we would welcome any of your suggestions.
James, can I say?
Best dancer in the deck
20.
for a very long time.
Compliments abound as the trio settle quickly into the den. But Hilary DeVay is keen to find out if there's substance behind the smooth-talking graduates.
Now, you valued your company at 1.2 million.
Yes.
How do you derive that valuation?
Bye,
We
guys.
derive the valuation from our actual